Name of Allah. I teacher Shaukat Ahmad Sheikh, presently working at Government High School Chakisarmarag. I am going to deliver a topic on defects of vision, that is hypermetropia for class 10th. Dear students, I have already delivered a topic on structure of eye and one of the defects of vision, that is myopia and power of accommodation. Today we will try to learn about hypermetropia, what is the nature of this defect, how it is caused, how it can be corrected. So, hypermetropia, it is also known as long-sightedness, or it is also known as farsightedness. In this defect, an individual with this defected eye, with this defective vision, he or she can see the distant objects clearly. The objects which are very far away, they are seen clearly. They are seen normally. Or we can say the distant vision is normal for this hypermetropic eye. But the object which is at the near point, they can't be seen clearly because light rays coming from the object which is at normal point, near point, that is 25 centimeter, those light rays are focused by our convex lens behind the retina. Since the image is formed behind the retina, it can't be perceived, or it can't be seen clearly and comfortably by this defected eye. What is the cause of this defect of vision? Here are two causes of this vision. Number one, it could be due to low converging power of the eye lens. We have a double convex lens in our eyes that has a power of converging light rays, but when it is converging power gets decreased, alternatively it means that its focal length gets increased. Why it happens that it is converging power gets decreased and focal length get increased? It means focal lens, this eye lens becomes thin. When it becomes thin, its focal length gets increased. Why it becomes thin? The ciliary muscles which are attached to the convex lens, they seize some flexibility, they become weak. Due to that weakness, they can't compress the convex lens sufficiently to make it thick in the middle, so that its converging power gets increased and focal length gets decreased, and light rays will be focused normally on the retina. That is why image is formed behind the retina when ciliary muscle sees some flexibility, cease to work properly, an image is formed behind the retina. This image is not seen by the hypermetropic eye clearly. Another reason is this: the eyeball could be too short. When the eyeball becomes too short, means small, the eye lens and the retina distance between them gets decreased. Since the distance gets decreased, image is formed behind the retina. It is another reason. Now we have to discuss its correction, how this defect can be corrected. We have to converge the light rays. Since light rays are converging behind the retina, we have to use, it means that our natural eye lens loses some natural abilities. We have to give some aid to it. That is, we have to use another convex lens which increase its converging power, so that light rays can be focused clearly on the retina. I have drawn three diagrams here. This is the hypermetropic eye. This is the normal point for everyone, for everyone's eye, which is normal, which is not suffering from any kind of defection. That is, from this point to this object, it is 25 centimeter. This object can be seen. It appears clearly to me and to all of us which have a normal eye. But this is a defected eye. This nearby object, light rays coming from this object are focused behind the retina. It means image is forward behind the retina. So this object is not seen. So image is not formed on the retina. Why this happens? Because this convex lens, it sees it some properties. I mean to say that it has reduced its converging power. It has less converging power. If it has an appropriate converging power, then these light rays would have converged at this point at the retina. But due to its loss of low converging power, or we can say loss of converging power, light rays are focused behind the retina. So then what is the normal point for the hypermetropic eye? For the hypermetropic eye, the normal point is somewhat greater than the normal point, which is for those eyes which are not suffering from any kind of defection. That is more than 25 centimeter. I have done another diagram here. This is the hypermetropic eye, and this is the normal point. That is from this point to this point, it is 25 centimeter. But this object cannot be seen properly. Instead, this hypermetropic eye sees the object properly, nearby object, that is at more than 25 centimeter. From this point to this point, it is the near point for this hypermetropic eye. An image is clearly focused on the retina and can be seen clearly. Now what we have to do to make it capable to see the nearby objects clearly for the hypermetropic eye. We have to give it some additional converging power with the help of a convex lens of suitable power. Here, this is the ray diagram for that. This is a convex lens. This converges the light rays coming from this normal point. This is the normal point for this eye. This is the normal point, that is at 25 centimeters. But this is not seen by this eye. As it is seen, seen here. It can be seen here. But what this lens has to do? This lens has to make the virtual image of the object which is at this 25 centimeter at this n dash. This is the normal point for this defected eye. Later on, it is focused clearly on the retina, and thus the object becomes visible for the hypermetropic eye. प्यारे बच्चों अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाह बह वन कशर पॉइंट तो हो सकता है तो ऐसे समझ आमत कहें कह वर्ड तो यह हाइपरमेट्रोपिया लॉन्ग साइटेडनेस यानी दूर चीज नजर या वनो फार साइटेड फार तो गो दूर चीज असल पे नजर मगर नजदीक चीज 50 सेंटीमीटर पे अकिस नॉर्मल आई खर नियर पॉइंट सकिस नजर क्लियरली कहें तो इमेज बना रेटिनास पत कन वजह क्या यह वजह अख वजह आई लेंस आई लेंस अम कन्वर्जिंग पावर गम लो या डिक्रीज गम क्या यह तवे गम सिलारी मसल अटैच तम कंप्रेस कर सफिशेंटली कहें यूत प्रेस कर लेंस बन थोड़ा मुट पान तो कन्वर्जिंग पावर हरे लाइट ग फोकस रेटिनास पे इमेज यह नजर असल पे मगर यह गम लॉस ऑफ प्रॉपर वर्किंग इन द सिलारी मसलस तम हेका अत कंप्रेस कर सफिशेंटली कहें यह वीकनेस आमत सिलारी मसलन मज तो दुम वजह आई बाल यह कुड बी टू शॉर्ट यह लकट यह नॉर्मल आई साइज तम खुद लकट बन डिस्टेंस गई कन्वेक्स लेंस तो रेटिना दरमियान डिक्रीज ये लेंस डिस्टेंस डिक्रीज गई इमेज गई नेचुरली फोकस बिहाइंड द रेटिना यह पे नजर कहें यह ऑब्जेक्ट नियर बाय ऑब्जेक्ट नजर कहें बल्कि हाइपरमेट्रिक आए यह दूर नजदीक चीज कत वो 50 सेंटीमीटर खुद अलावे पान दूर तवे कर सन बुजुर्ग हाइपरमेट्रोपिया दूर नजर नजदीक नजर तम किताब थोड़ा पथ को पान पे तम नजर या लकोट चीज पर थोड़ा पथ को पान तम तो वह वन यह कित करो ठीक अम पे लगान स्पेक्स अन वन स्पेक्स मज पे कर अत पे लगान कन्वेक्स लेंस ऑफ सूटेबल पावर तो हेका यह नजदीक असल पे वुच कर क्या बस यह कन्वर्जिंग लेंस कन्वेक्स लेंस आर्टिफिशियल इस्तेमाल को यह दिवान एडिशनल कन्वर्जिंग पावर सो नेचुरल आई लेंस यह कर मदद अम लाइट रेज कन्वर्ज कर पथ नश बचाने खतर पथ गि यह ज्यादा कर अत बेंड कर ये वात रेटिनास पे मगर कित वजह क्या पता हाइपरमेट्रोपिक आई अम नियर पॉइंट मोर देन 25 सेंटीमीटर तवे लिख एन डैश असली क्या गन एन मगर अम एन डैश यह ऑब्जेक्ट ये पे नजर कहें तो क्या कर इमेज बना वर्चुअल इमेज बना विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस यानी कन्वेक्स लेंस बना वर्चुअल इमेज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट विच इज 25 सेंटीमीटर एट द नॉर्मल पॉइंट तो यह बना यम किस नॉर्मल हाइपरमेट्रोपिया किस नॉर्मल पॉइंटस पे विच इज मोर देन 25 सेंटीमीटर यम जे पे अपीयर गसान छ पत छ गसान लाइट रेज क्लियरली फोकस इमस बस यह जन छ अहमद छ पन्ने युस इमस हाइपरमेट्रोपिया आई छ इमस नॉर्मल पॉइंट मोर देन 25 इमस बस इमीडिएट पे हसा छ इमीडिएट ऑब्जेक्ट तो इमस इमेज बना क्लियरली एज पे रेटिनास पे तो उम्मीद छ मे कि तोह सवाल आमुत समझ अगर समझ आमुत कहीं कह कमी रोजम ये मज मेहरबानी कर गुजारिश कर कि बजर व्हाट्सएप लिखिए तुम अत बारस मज पन फीडबैक तो अकॉर्डिंगली तुल बह स्टेप तो बह वो यह प्रॉब्लम एड्रेस करने कोशिश शुक्रिया।